guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by my face that I'm zero makeup on now. So that means I'm going to be applying some makeup obviously on my face. But what I'm going to do today actually, so as you can see by the title that today I'm going to be trying something very different. So I've seen a video actually roaming around the web, and that is 3 product makeup challenge, 5 product makeup challenge, 5 minutes makeup challenge, even 1 minute makeup challenge. So I thought it's time to do some challenges because I was like kind of bored with my channel doing all the makeups and skincare and stuff like that. So I thought to try some makeup challenge thingy on my channel because I think that I hadn't done this for a while. So today I'm going to be trying the 3 product makeup challenge, and it's very tough for me, like a girl like me, because I love makeup. I was like really confused. I was like, okay, I should choose foundation, and I was like, no, I should choose concealer. I should go for a natural look. And I was like, no, I should go for the glam and these kind of things. But anyway, coming back to today's challenge. So today I'm going to be trying 3 product makeup challenge. I hope this is going to be interesting because I'm going to be in trouble. So anyway, coming back. So let's go ahead and show you what kind of product I have chosen. So the first product that I've chosen is a concealer. The reason why I've chosen a concealer is basically I am not a foundation girl. For my university or college, I really don't generally use foundation on a regular basis. So I thought, let's not choose a foundation. I'm going to do something natural, glam sort of makeup. And with concealer, I can do a lot of things, such as, for example, I can brighten my under eye. I can just like hide my dark circle, hide my pigmentation, stuff like that. So that is why I have chosen a concealer, sorry. So I have chosen a concealer. For the concealer, I have chosen this the Blue Sabin Catwalk concealer. So yeah, the first one. And the second one that I can't leave without, guys, trust me, and that is a brow gel, a brow pomade. I'm sorry, brow pomade, brow pomade. As you guys know that this is my go-to brow pomade. I always use this. I hadn't tried any other product. Yeah, I've tried some pencil and stuff like that, but this is my go-to brow pomade. It's really inexpensive drugstore brow pomade. You can also try this. I really love this. And the third product is really confusing. I was like really confused between these 2 products, lipstick or mascara. Okay, Patrick Star accent, I think mascara. Moving on. I was like really confused between these 2 products because I am a huge mascara fan. I always go for mascara, and this is like my go-to thingy. Then I thought I also love my lipstick too. Like then I end up choosing lipstick. So for the lipstick, I have chosen this La Bonita lipstick in the shade, I think 13. I really don't know about the price if I give because it's a gift from my friend. La Bamba, in this shade La Bamba, yeah, and it is in the number 13, okay. And guys, honestly, I really don't know about the price because it's a gift. But if I get the shade number or anything or the pricing, I'll put everything down below or right over there. So yeah, that's all about 3 products. Now I'll just directly move on to my makeup and show you how I do my makeup horribly with 3 products. Let's go ahead and start this. I don't know what is gonna happen. So I'll just tie my hair. So yeah, kind of. Is it fine? So guys, I am actually a little bit nervous because I don't know what is gonna happen, and I can't even use any primer, which is the most depressing thing. Can I just like use one primer because I can't live without primer? No? Okay. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll not go crazy with my concealer. I'll just like take 1 or 2 swipe of concealer, very less, because it's my highlighting concealer. So I'm actually kind of nervous because I'm actually using this without any kind of foundation as well, without primer. I will just like do the dot shape first. The reason why I'm doing a dot shape is so that actually I don't need to take a lot of products altogether. As well over my lips, and as well on the pimple spots. As you can see, I have some spots going on. So very slightly I'm going to be applying this over there. I will apply a little bit above my nose, or you can say the bridge of my nose. So yeah, now come up to the exciting part, the blending. So what I will do is I'll take my ring finger and I'll just try to sort of blend this. And it's very hard to blend your product without any brush or beauty blender, but yeah, there's nothing wrong in trying. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and try to just like dab the product onto my skin. And this will also prove how you can do your makeup in the morning when you don't have a lot of time altogether. As well, I'll try to blend this under my eye. So I just like, yeah, it is pretty blendable. As you can see, the concealer, maybe it is for the concealer, but it is actually pretty blendable. And I can't use any kind of like powder because I'm a powder fan. Actually, I'm everything's fan. But yeah, without powder, I never set my concealer. So I am like confused and like sad and depressed and everything of that sort. But it is actually pretty blendable, as you can see. Apply very less amount of, and I'll try to just like blend this with the help of my ring finger. But it is actually pretty blendable, which I'm really happy about. So now I'll just go ahead and do my brow. So for the brow, as I said, that I'm going to be using this Ever Beauty Gel brow pomade, and a brush actually come along with the whip, because this angle brush actually come along with this. So these two products all together in one product. So I'm just quickly gonna do my brow, and I will not be applying any brow powder and any setting gel, and not even any kind of concealer. So I have to be actually a little bit careful. Just actually doing the work of the morning brows. I mean, in the morning you are so busy and you have to do your brow quickly to set my brow in place. So guys, it's like pretty good. I really like my brow, as you can see, just with only one product. So I'll just do the same in my another brow and I'll be back. So guys, as you can see, I just try to draw my brow with only one product, and that's how my brows look like. It's kind of okayish. I think it's not perfect, but it's kind of okayish. I'll go ahead and take the same concealer and just try to curve my brows. I'm not too sure how the result will come up. You can see I'm taking a very less amount of concealer. So I'll just like, blend this with the help of my finger. I think it's popping. I am basically using that part because this part is kind of like curved. Hey guys, I'm back, and that's how my brow look like. I think it's looking good. Popping in, except my under eye. I'm liking everything because it's actually, as you can see, it's like more welly because I didn't set it with any kind of powder. Anyway, now come up to the most interesting thing, that I'm gonna contour my face. How? Because I didn't choose any contour. So I'm gonna be using this eyebrow pomade. I'll be taking very less amount of product, let's say this much, and I'll go ahead and try to cream contour my nose and face a little bit, very 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 little. Ooh. It's not that bad as a contouring shape. So I'll take a little bit more. Take a less amount of product, guys, because I don't know. I'm not sure yet that how the result will come up. But I'll try to cream contour my face. You guys can see. But I'll do as much as I can because I'm doing my contouring with a brow product. Like seriously guys, seriously, no ways. I think, and I will take off anything excess if I think. So guys, that's how my face look like with contouring. I think it's workable, pretty workable. So guys, now I'll go ahead and apply the lipstick, the interesting part. So I'll take the same lipstick. So but before applying the lipstick, I'll try to do a little bit of blushing with the help of this lipstick. It's a lipstick hack basically. If you ever forget to carry your blush or anything, then you can apply the blush and have a bubbly look with the help of the lipstick. So I'll go ahead and apply the lipstick now. Taking the same lipstick, and I'll apply this all over my lips, and I'll come up with the final look maybe. But I really love the shade, guys, you can see. Guys, I am back, and that concludes my 3 product makeup challenge slash no brush or no beauty blender makeup challenge, and that's how I look like. I don't know if I passed or failed, I don't know. I think that it is actually countable because it's not actually looking that bad either. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment box. So that all conclude my 3 product makeup challenge. It's fun doing my makeup with the help of my fingers, and as well with 3 product as well. Challenging, a little bit challenging. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed, or let me know down in the comment box if you want me to do any other challenge. I'd love to do that for you guys. I'll be back in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself, stay funky, stay healthy. I love you all so much. Bye bye.